Hey. So if you haven't already seen video number 1, where we talk about our camera bag, go back and watch that first. Now, let's talk about our audio and accessories bag. Let's get started. I'm getting a bunch of notifications from Jeff. All right, you ready? Okay, let's open this thing up. This is the same as our camera bag, the Lowepro Photostream 200. It's airport carry-on size with rolling wheels, 4 wheels, so your arms don't get tired. And this is our audio, batteries, drone kind of accessories kit. This goes with us on every single shoot. It's right alongside of our camera bag. I carry usually the cameras, Jess usually carries this one, and we always carry it on. That's why it was so important for us to get a carry-on size bag. It's really important that you have everything on board the plane with you, not under the plane, but on board with you, that you need to accomplish your film shoot. So if something were to get lost, your project isn't screwed. Let's get started. I think I'll start off with our audio recorder. We have the Zoom F4, fits really nicely in this corner. This is our go-to audio recorder. One of the features that we found really important to us was that we wanted a recorder that could do timecode. We'll do a whole video all about timecode at some point. Stay tuned for that, but we love the Zoom F4 and it's got great battery life. Right behind it, because they go together, and mentioned timecode just a second ago, these are our Tentacle Sync timecode devices. We have 3 of them. We jam timecode into the recorder, and we also run timecode into our cameras. That's this corner. Moving over, we've got our drone and our remote. So here's our remote for our drone. Right next door is our Mavic Pro. It's not like we do a ton of drone work, but just enough to get an establishing shot. So that lives in this corner. We don't get it out very often, but there it is. Then right here in the middle of the bag, to lower our center of gravity, I'm not gonna unpack all these because there's too many of them, but we have a whole bunch of your classic Sony batteries. And this powers everything for us. This powers our Atomos monitors. It can even power some of our lights. It's kind of the useful little battery, and they're cheap. So we got a bunch of them right here in the bottom center of our bag. Let's move up to the middle. We've got a 7-inch Atomos Shogun Inferno. Fun story is I actually won this at NAB last year. I won 2 of them. Very fun. I've never won anything this cool in my life. We use this now as our director's monitor, and I'm gonna do a future video on that because I'm only in the early stages of figuring out how I wanna do that. Right now it's hardwired director's monitor, but I'd like to get it wireless and do it on a budget. So we will make a video when we get to that point. Right behind it is the cabling for that monitor, just in a think tank, cable management version 2.0 bag. Very simple little bag, but we love these. And then moving over, you've got a pair of headphones for monitoring audio. Please, please, please always monitor your audio, because you're gonna get better audio if you do that. So pair of headphones for that, good headphones. Just behind my headphones, this is brand new to our kit, so I can't tell you if we love them or hate them, but right now we have invested in the new Sennheiser wireless filmmaker kit. So if you've used the Rode Video Link in the past, this is like the same digital, very small profile wireless mic kit, and we're really excited about using it. We're looking forward to using it in our kit. So our wireless mics used to take about 4 pouches, and now they only take 2 little tiny slots in our bag, and that's for our wireless lapels. We have a pair of them. And then moving over, this is our bag full of mounts. So let me open this because I think you're gonna like what's inside. I'm all about these little super clamp mounts. They're really cheap. They're made by Small Rigs. You can pick them up on Amazon. I'll put a link below. They're just awesome. I use them to mount a light. I use them to hold an audio recorder. I use them to hold a monitor. They are the jack of all trades, little clamp. Keep it in our bag, ready to go for anything. And then the last thing I've got in there alongside of it is a light stand ball head. We often put this little guy up on a ball head on a light stand, or again, you never know what you're gonna need one of these for, and if it fits in the camera bag, we take it with us. So we've got a couple little articulating arms there and some super clamps. Next is our favorite little portable light. These are awesome. I'm sure you've seen them all over YouTube these days. It's the little Aputure mini light. Let's turn it on. Oh, it's on tungsten right now. Anyways, we've got a pair of these. We use them as a hair light when we're in a tight location. We'll use them as great little accent lights for backgrounds on set. They're basically a Swiss Army knife of a light, and we super love having these in our bag, and they just charge over USB-C. So it's just like, keep it in your bag. Look how tiny that is. It's great. Plus, it's a nice bag. Very last thing in our bag down here in the corner is 3 drone batteries. Gives us plenty of drone life without having to charge, regardless of where we are. And now let's talk about what's in the lid. Up here in the top, I'm not gonna unpack this, I'm just gonna tell you what's in there. We've got a couple of power cables for camera chargers. A recent shoot, we went far away and I left these at home. So we had 4 chargers ready to go, but no power cables to plug those chargers in. Oops, last time I'll ever do that. So we keep those in there. I keep a spare wireless lapel mic in there just in case one gets damaged while we're shooting, and a couple of battery plate adapters so I can charge Sony batteries or Panasonic batteries on our Watson chargers. Then right below that, this is kind of our jack of all trades little makeup and mint department. So we've got HD makeup just to knock down shine on skin, makeup brush, and we have mints and floss and gum and just kind of the things that you might want in your bag to make your talent happy. And that's what this is for, basic talent happiness department. So that's it. Thanks for joining us for this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We hope to make all kinds of cool videos coming up, some of which I already mentioned. Give us a like if you like this video. Of course, smash the bell if you want to see what's happening the moment we release it. And I'll put a link for all the things that I've talked about in the description below. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks, guys.